Story 49. A sage having been asked whether liberality or bravery is better replied, he who possesses liberality needs no bravery. It is written on the tomb of Behramgur, a liberal hand is better than a strong arm. Hatem Ta'eh has passed away, but forever. His high name will remain celebrated for beneficence. Set aside the zakat from thy property, because the exuberant vines, when pruned by the winter, will yield more grapes. And even things as much as coons or, between, people giving a fifth of their income and people who give a tenth of their income, the tithe payers, some of those people have they work and they figure out in order to do that. But the zakat, it's aside from one's needs to begin with. But you can't just say, oh, well, I go out to eat and I go to see movies and I buy movies and I play video games and also, you can't, well, you can, but it's the idea, oh, zakat's not obligatory. No. Zakat should have been from that, right? Whether it's the one at the end of Ramadan, the Qurbani, Zakat al-Mal, Zakat al-Mal. You should figure out what you need and give your a portion about it preemptively, like on the day of harvest sort of thing.